Hey everyone, big news out of New Zealand. The government has announced a major shake-up of the education system. They're planning to scrap NCEA, the National Certificate of Educational Achievement, and bring in a whole new qualification framework. This could seriously change how high school works for students across the country. So why is NCEA being ditched? Well, since it started in the early 2000s, NCEA has gotten a lot of criticism. People say it's turned into a credit counting game where students just aim for easy points instead of actually learning deeply. Employers and universities have been saying the same thing, that NCEA doesn't always show what students really know or what they're capable of. Education Minister Erica Stanford put it pretty bluntly. She said, "The current NCEA system is being gamed. Students are achieving qualifications without mastering essential skills." What's the new system going to look like? Here's the plan. In Year 11, NCEA Level 1 will be replaced by something called the Foundational Skills Award. This focuses on core skills like literacy and numeracy. Students will be required to take English and maths. In Year 12, students will work toward the New Zealand Certificate of Education, NCEA. Here they'll choose 5 subjects and need to pass at least 4. In Year 13, it's the New Zealand Advanced Certificate of Education, NCEA. Again, students take 5 subjects, and assessments will be tougher and more focused on preparing them for work or further study. No more credit system. Instead, students will get percentage scores out of 100 and letter grades from A to E. This is meant to give a clearer picture of how well someone actually did. When is this all happening? The change starts with an updated curriculum in 2026. The Foundational Skills Award rolls out in 2028, NCEA in 2029, and NCEA in 2030. If you're in Year 9 now, you'll stick with the current NCEA. But students starting Year 9 in 2026 will be the first to fully experience the new system. Can people have a say? Yes. Public consultation is open right now from August 4th to September 15th, 2025. Anyone can share their views, whether you're a student, a teacher, a parent, or just someone who cares about education. The government says all feedback will be considered before the final decision. What do people think so far? It's a mixed bag. Some folks are all for it. They think this will bring back academic standards and actually help students succeed. Others are worried. They say it might stress students out and that schools will need more support to handle the change. Unions are calling for better training and resources for teachers, and some students are a bit anxious about the move to percentage-based grades. Final thoughts: scrapping NCEA is a big move. Whether it leads to better outcomes depends on how well the new system is rolled out and supported. One thing's for sure, education in New Zealand is about to go through one of its biggest changes in decades. Let me know your thoughts. Is this a step forward, or are we losing something valuable with NCEA? Drop your comments below.